Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a bit of a weird one. It's kind of like a piece together video because I've got lots of little bits to do. And I've also got some gifts that I've been given from DC 3D Designs. He sent me over some stuff. So they are gifts, they're not on sale, at least not at the moment. You never know, he might make them in the future, he might not. But it was really kind of him to send them out. So anyway, the first thing we've got to install, I've got some Autobeam brake lights. So that's that for you. I got those to install. Basically what we done was me and my dad bought some Autobeam bulbs. We got sent out some of the old versions. So yeah, it was announced that the new version was coming out. So basically Autobeam contacted me and said, you know, we've got a new version. And I've given that to my dad. So the new version has gone to my dad's car. I might throw in a clip at some point during this video to show you the difference between the new and the old version. Obviously, if you buy them, I think it was April the 19th. I may have made that date up, but they're releasing it in April at some point. So if you buy brake light bulbs in April, or you know, it's to the back end of April, shall we say, you should get the new version, and they are way brighter and way more intense. Hopefully I'll show you another clip in this video. But either way, I'm going to install the old ones into my car, might as well. That way every bulb in my rear of my car is LED. So that's the first thing we've got. Second thing we've got, he's made me a hole filler. So this is DC 3D Designs. He's been kind enough to make me this hole filler just to kind of fill the hole. He's also been kind enough to make me a personalised gear knob. Now it needs a little bit of work doing to it, you know, a little bit of sanding, maybe some painting over the top, but we'll see on terms of that. But that is the design. Hopefully you guys can see that. So it's got a Car Rambles logo printed into it, and then obviously a nice design. Obviously these are to be screwed in once I've got the gear knob on. But yeah, I'm super loving this. It looks so cool, especially with obviously the Car Rambles logo on top. So obviously I owe a thank you to all of you guys as well as DC 3D Designs. If you guys don't use my discount codes or anything, the companies that I work with don't know that I'm kind of pushing you guys towards those good products. So the fact that you guys have been using the code so much with DC 3D Designs has allowed me to kind of get to this point where, one, I've made hopefully a lifetime friend, and then secondly, obviously he's making me stuff like this, and it's just a wicked feeling. And the fact that you guys are supporting me inadvertently by buying yourself things that are going to help you, you know, it's kind of like helping everyone basically, and that's what I'm here to do. So just from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for kind of all the support and the fact that you're using my codes and stuff. Make sure you still check out the description for all the other companies that I work with, like Cal's Customs. He can make you Instagram stickers and stuff. He can make you sun strips, basically anything printing wise, Cal's Customs will do it. So check out his link, use the code down below. They're super cheap, super nice quality. That's how I've got all of my stickers that I'm sending out to you guys. Obviously we've got Autobeam, every light you ever want. We've also got Xeons Online, another lighting company. Their HID kit is the current one I use on my card. It's so intense and just the perfect colour that I asked for. So once again, I can't recommend them enough in terms of quality, both Autobeam and Xeons Online. I'd say Xeons Online if you need a HID kit, you know, get on it. And then Autobeam if you need some other bulbs and stuff. Autobeam do that, but obviously both companies do both. Check them out, have a little look. You won't be disappointed with the quality. But yeah, thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the support currently. Now on to the video. First thing I'm going to do is just install the braking bulbs. I've shown you this all before. Basically, you need to pull this carpet back here, and this will allow you to get to a wing nut which is on the back. I think it's somewhere kind of up inside there. You've also got these two Torx bits, and then you just pull the headlight out and change them. But obviously if you need to see how to do it, just look for my indicator install video and that will show you basically how to remove it. Cool, so that's the new LED brake lights in. I say new, these are the old version from Autobeam. If they do end up sending me out a set from my car, obviously like I said before, the set that they sent out, because my dad paid for the bulbs, it didn't seem fair him having the old ones when he should have the new ones. So currently I've got the old ones in. But yeah, no, it's a little bit of a difference. Yeah, it's a little bit of a difference from the you know, original bulbs, just the normal halogen or whatever they're called. But obviously the new version, like I said, if they send me out the new version, I'll do a full video on that showing you how to install them, and I'll show you the difference between their old version and their 2019 version. But there is a huge difference. Anyway, onto the inside of the car, where basically we're going to install the new gear knob and also the hole filler. And I've also got one thing to do under the bonnet, which is I may have broke something the other day. It's only a tiny little thing. It takes literally 2 seconds to replace. Of course, I'm just going to fill my hole first of all. That fits in perfectly and it looks so much better. And now onto the gear knob. I've just screwed like 3 of them down just to hold it into place, but basically we're just going to slide that on. This would be much easier with 2 hands, but hey, what can you do? This is going to look so good. I'm excited. I don't know how tight I want to do it, so I'm just going to screw that down, but that looks so good. That's wicked. And I'm getting a bit of like I'm getting a bit flustered with the fact that, you know, it is my logo on my gear knob. It's wicked. It's so cool. So I'm going to screw this down and give you guys a final look. So that's it all installed. It looks awesome. Like, I am so happy that I've got this from them. Like, to have a one-off gear knob with my logo in the top, and like, I love the design of the Allen keys around the outside. It feels good, it looks good, and this is without me even sanding it down and painting it. Obviously I've still got to do that, but I just haven't got the time to do it at the minute. But I just really wanted to put it on. So thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for that. And once again, guys, thank you so much for all the support you're giving me. Even if you're buying stickers down below, I've had a few orders for stickers. You can check out my big cartel. If you share my content, you get free stickers. So I'm giving back to you guys as much as you're giving me. Just thank you. Seriously, guys, thank you. We're going to go on to the next video. This is only a little short one showing you bits and bobs here and there. But once again, thank you so much for watching all my videos. Check everything out down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I completely forgot, there's one more thing to do. I snapped this off. So I've bought a replacement here, as you can see. This should... I don't know how it clicks on. How does it click on? I really don't know how this clicks on. I'm going to have a quick look how this clicks on and I'll get back to you, but this is going right at the end of the video, so most of you won't even see this. So that's the new one in. Basically, to get the old one out, I ended up doing this to it. I just smashed it. They are a pain to get out. If you need to replace one, just pry underneath here and just start snapping bits off until you can just wiggle it out. There's no point keeping it in one piece if you're just going to replace it. But to put it back on, literally just click it on, push it in, and there's a little clip basically here. So yeah, end of the video.